Na jednej z ostatnich wypraw poznaliśmy brytyjskiego aktora Jasona Fleminga, którego możecie znać z takich produkcji jak Ciekawy przypadek Benjamina Buttona czy X-Men. Ekskluzywny wywiad przeprowadziła z nim Miśka.
First of all, did you see the shark?
We did see it. It was amazing. So lucky.
How did you like it?
Well,
Rate it on a scale 1 to 10.
On the scale of 1 to 10 of things I've seen underwater, it was a 10.
Right.
But we were swimming along the reef against the current, and it came from the reef side, just right towards us, split us basically in two, which I think you'll see from the footage. And then you saw its underbelly, and then it went into the deep, and some of the divers followed after it.
We were one of these divers.
I was so excited, but it was sinking quite quickly, and so I realised that I hadn't equalised, and I'd gone down 10 metres quite quickly, and so I had a squeeze in my ear, so I had to wave it goodbye, and I just saw its tail disappearing. It was magical.
Yeah. What length do you think it was?
I think it was an adolescent.
Me too.
About maybe 8 metres, possibly.
8? I think it was a bit smaller, maybe.
Maybe 5.
But you know, because we saw the shark also another one last week, and that one we thought it was moving fast.
Yeah.
But this one, it was so fast. Like literally, I think we saw him maybe for a minute or two.
Yeah, maybe a minute. Maybe a minute.
And then we followed, like the last one, we followed him like maybe 4 or 5.
Yeah.
So you know, we were quite.
It felt like this one. That's why I think it might have been older, because it knew what we were. It wasn't interested.
Yeah.
It passed us very. It wasn't scared. It wasn't traumatized. But it was. It decided it wanted to leave.
Yeah, maybe.
So it was amazing. I swam with mantas in Cuba, and I swam with raggy-toothed sharks and great white sharks in Durban. But this was the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Oh, nice. And was it your first whale shark?
No, we
you
swam.
saw?
We swam with whale sharks in Mexico, but just snorkeling.
Oh, okay.
But they were big. They were adult, big mantas. But it's different when you're above it, looking down. You know, when you're where we were, when you're underneath, and you can feel it. It's somehow calm. You know, it's completely calm. And we just saw it come near us, and then it swam away. It was magic. Hey Poland, how are you all?
So thank you for your time.
Nice one, guys. Cheers.